Hello everyone, it's Loretta. Thank you for joining me. I apologize for the little bit of shaking in the first of this video, but I was trying to film at night and anyway. So for today's very fancy dancy card, I am using a die from the Scrapping Cottage, which are Cottage Cut dies. I did show this in a recent video of things that I purchased online. I will try to remember and put a link for this particular die set in the description box or in a caption. I used my Copic markers for coloring this image, and since I wanted some depth of field with this project, some of these flowers are stacked one on top of each other just to give them a more thick look. And that was actually pretty easy to do. I used my E6000 in tiny little drops. For the coloring, I just literally just kind of scribbled on the color. Not a whole lot of shading. I did try to use different greens, different yellows, reds, etc. for coloring these tiny pieces. I'm going to play some music now and let you enjoy the coloring and some stacking of these pieces, and I will meet back up with you in just a little bit.
For better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. Seven years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. For our home to show on the horizon, soon we'll be there. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us. If we just hold on tight, this vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. When we can't read the sky, we just sail with the wind that we've got. And when we're drowning in doubt, just keep on believing. We are dreamers of the shore.
for the most fun part of this card making video and of this project, putting it together. There are literally probably 50 pieces of different flowers. I did cut this out 4 different times so that I would have more than enough to make this card. I used some paper pizzazz pattern paper, and I used cardstock from my collection. This is all from cut cardstock, and there's a yellow, green, a light. Remember, while putting this card together, on the pieces that you use glue, in this case I used E6000, you're literally going to want to place tiny little drops underneath each one of the leaves or items you're putting down. As you can see here, I actually put down a little tiny blob of the glue, and I'm just barely tapping it into the glue before I place it onto my card front. I also, in some cases, use the tips of my fingers to apply the glue where I needed it. I kept looking back and forth from the image on the packaging to kind of gauge where I wanted this. In the end, I used more of the greenery and the flowers than was shown in the example from their design team. As usual, everyone, I hope that you will enjoy this rest of this video. I'm going to play some more music. But remember, my 4,000 subscriber mark is coming very quickly. So if you haven't and you want to be, subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell so that you're notified when I upload videos. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Share my videos on your social media. And of course, as always, stay happy and be a blessing. I will see you all soon.